Now that it's finally spring, it's time to switch out my winter greenery for these really pretty faux tulips. I've actually ordered these before. I have them in like the white color, but this light pink is adorable. Let me show you what it looks like in this little vase. Okay, look how beautiful it looks. It honestly looks pretty realistic for it being a faux flower. I put all of them in here. You definitely could do like more of a more of a sparse look and take a couple out, but I love like the overflowing and how they're kind of bending. So super cute. They are bendable. You just have to like put a little bit of muscle into it. They're not like super bendy, but they obviously are gonna like bend and move for you. Like I bent a bunch of these ones. So super easy to fluff up, kind of maneuver and bend around, but I love that color. I think it is so pretty. It is like the perfect light pink with little accents of the darker pink. Yeah, it's beautiful, very realistic. Overall, I'm very happy with it. The brand actually sent these ones to me, and like I said earlier, I've ordered through them before, so I knew I was gonna like them. I also love like the bright green on the leaves. So overall, such a nice addition, and I hate real flowers because they always die so fast. So these I just will leave up all spring and all summer.